Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is a good day and I'm going to share with you the details about a budget-friendly vacuum that is Derma DX700 2-in-1 handheld vacuum cleaner. So these are the things inside the box. I will show you the components in detail. This is the extension rod wand. Here comes the head motor. These are the three different cleaning tools that we can see inside. And you can understand the product size from this picture. In this first picture, you can see the head motor connected to the head clean, and in the second picture, it shows how to connect the head clean to the extension wand. Here is the cable. Cable length is almost 4.5 meter, and this is the switch to on and off. We can easily detach this bin from here. Just push this button and then pull the container. And you can attach this dust container back in place like this. You can see a black sponge placed over here. Now let's look into the main filter. It is covered with a mesh fabric with a sponge layer. This filter cotton is durable and useful. We can do repeated cleaning. This is the HEPA filter inside. It has only single section mode. You can fix this attachment here. This attachment can be used to wrap the cord around after use. This is the extension band of this vacuum. We can attach the head clean with this. Let's see how it works. It glides smoothly on surfaces. You can easily move this pipe vertically, but we cannot bend it into sides. There is no brush provided in this type of head. Instead, it has a flap that may help in collecting the dust. It has 4 little wheels that may help in maneuvering while cleaning surfaces. This brush is for the corners. It has brushes on the head with rotatable pipe. This type of head is used to clean hard to reach areas like the corners of sofa and all. Let's attach the head clean. You can on the vacuum cleaner using the on-off switch. Now let's see how this works. This is suitable for cleaning hardwood, carpet, tile, floors, car and so on. And the dust capacity is 0.6 to 1 liter. It works in 230 volt with a power consumption of 440 watts. Let's fix the head clean with the extension wand and clean the floor. The handle is very comfortable to hold and operate. I never expect that a vacuum cleaner with this much price will have such a good performance. It's made up of ABS material. It's not a hassle to carry around while cleaning. We will never feel lazy to clean home and it picks up a lot of dirt. I'm using this product for last 4 months and I can say that the price difference is very significant comparing with the popular brands. I'll share with you some of the difficulties that I have noticed with this product. Heat is generated from the motor after continuous use, but I think it's a normal case with all handheld vacuums. And also I'm unsure about the after sale service. I think it functions great while comparing with the price. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can see the link for buying this product in the description box. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and happy.